Hey all the charming people, I am Pooja and you're watching Stay Charming. In today's video, I am going to make this hairstyle using tie in two different ways. Yes guys, this is tie which I have used as a hairband. I'm sure you're gonna like it. So without talking too much, let's get started. So I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, don't forget to press the like button, become part of this charming family by subscribing to this channel. Also hit the bell button to get the notification of future videos. That's all for today guys. I'll meet you next video. Till then, stay happy, stay charming. Bye bye, take care.